Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a very tricky question from the topic definite integration. The question is, we need to evaluate the integration 0 to infinity log x dx whole divided by x squared plus 2x plus 4. Now I am going to give approach how to solve this type of integration. Now what is given? It is given that I is equal to 0 to infinity log x dx whole divided by x squared plus 2x plus 4. Put x as equal to 2t here. If x is equal to 2t, what is lower limit and upper limit? If x is equal to 0, t equals 0. And if x tending to infinity, what does it mean? T tends to infinity only. Simply putting the value of lower limit and upper limit. T tends to infinity. Now, what about dx? Dx is equal to 2 times dt. So putting I, limit is from 0 to infinity, log of 2t dx is 2 times dt, and in denominator it is 4t square plus 4t plus 4. Now taking 2 outside the sign of integration, what we find? We find this 2 0 to infinity, this is log t plus log 2 dt, and take 4 common from the denominator, t squared plus t plus 1. Now, this I can also be written as 1 by 2, 0 to infinity, log t dt whole divided by t squared plus t plus 1 plus 1 by 2, 0 to infinity, log 2 dt whole divided by t square plus t plus 1. Take this here, this integration as I1, split this in 2 parts, and this is as I2. Now calculating one by one I1 and I2. What is our I1? I1 is 1 by 2, 0 to infinity, log t ln t dt whole divided by t square plus t plus 1. Now, to solve this integration, put t as 1 by y. If t is equal to 1 by y, what is meaning of dt? This is minus 1 by y square dy. Now, what is I1? 1 by 2. Limit is from infinity to 0, because at t, y tending to t tending to 0 plus y tending to infinity, and t tending to infinity, it is 0. This is log 1 upon y dt is minus dy by y square whole divided by 1 by y square plus 1 by y plus 1. Simply putting the value of t is equal to 1 by y. So we find this. Now, if we calculate this further, what we find? Log 1 upon y is same as minus log y. So I1 is equal to 1 by 2 infinity to 0 minus log y, and this dy y square, this is again minus sign, so this minus dy by y square, and this minus, so this minus will become plus, and this is how much? Y square plus y plus 1 whole divided by y square. So if you calculate this further, what you find? We find this as 1 by 2, replacing lower limit and upper limit, 0 to infinity, dy log y dy, it is log y dy whole divided by y square plus y plus 1. And what about this? What is I1? So if we compare this I1, this is our I1, 1 by 2, limit is from 0 to infinity, log t dt whole divided by t square plus t plus 1, and this is minus 1 by 2, 0 to infinity, log y dy, y square plus y plus 1. So what can we say? I1 is equal to minus I1. If we compare this and these two equations, this equation says this is 1 and this is 2. If we compare 1 and 2, what we find? We find I1 is equal to minus I1. I1 is equal to minus I1. So if twice I1 is equal to 0, this means I1 is equal to 0. Here, what property I'm going to, I have used simply a to b, I have used this property fx dx is same as a to b ft dt. Now I1 here is 0. Now what is the value of I2? Simply I is equal to I1 plus I2. This value that we have calculated 0. Now once we calculate the value of I2, our problem will be solved. So what is I2? Now I2 is equal to 1 by 2 log 2 dt t square plus t plus 1 from here, from this equation. This is our I2. Now log 2 is constant, so we can take this log 2 outside the sign of integration. So what we find, this is log 2 whole divided by 2, 0 to infinity dt, and what about it denominator, t plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 root 3 by 2 whole square. Now what is integral of dx upon x square plus a square? It is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c, simply using this result. So what we find, this is log 2 whole divided by 2, 1 by a 1 upon root 3 by 2 tan inverse x by a, t plus 1 by 2 whole divided by root 3 by 2. Limit is from 0 to infinity. Now putting upper limit and lower limit here, if we put upper limit and lower limit, what we find, this is log 2, this 2 and 2 cancel out by root 3, this is tan inverse infinity pi by 2 minus pi by 6. So this is pi upon 3 root 3 log 2. So this is the final result. So hope you understand how to approach this type of problem. This is a very tricky problem, and this is very important problem for IIT JEE point of view. Thank you and see you in next video.